Alright guys, so he's done it again. My favorite 3D printing nerd, Joel Telling, has done it again. So I was checking out his channel the other day and I found out something new. So for a while I've been using this thing called here, MakerBot's Thingiverse. And well, as it is pretty good, but nobody ever sees my stuff. So there's a new thing in town which is even better than that. And it is called Thangs. Thangs. Here we go. So this is another place where you guys can find some of the projects that my friend and I, Steve, are building. So yeah, you can find it on here. You're going to find us under Stevie Wonderbots on here, and on the other one, you can find us under Marco Reviews. But again, as you guys know, if you type in Google search Marco Reviews, there's nothing there. So, or it's someone else. So. Now you can find us on Thangs under
Likey.